Please.
Thank you. So in the mini bar, in the fridge, for the non-alcoholic would be all complimentary. Like 10 bottles on the top and the 6 bottles on the left would be all complimentary. Just the alcohol will be chargeable.
Okay.
And for the price list will be here for the alcohol and the snacks. And also we have the coffee guideline here. If you would like to use the coffee, the turn on button will be here. And if you're looking for the coffee and the tea will be here. We also have some local snacks for you to try as well. And also the honey made by the longan flower and good to drink as well, mixed with the tea or coffee. And the rest here, the snack bar will be chargeable. And also, if you would like to use the speaker, just long press on the side until it turns to blue color, and you can pair with your phone for the music. And also, we have the tablet in case you would like to order the room service. It's the start, click here. And also we have some room service, and also if you would like to have breakfast in the room, we can serve per person, like a per set for the breakfast in the room. It will be until noon time. The last order will be 11:30 a.m. And if you would like to open the blind or the curtain, the button will be here. Like you just click and then the curtain will go up like this. And just wait a moment, it will go up itself. So the balcony will be here.
Balcony.
Yes. May I help you? Excuse me.
So fantastic river view.
And if you open the window, the air conditioning will shut down. So it's always recommended to close the door. And tomorrow, because it's the Look at Home Festival, so they will have some firework in the evening time after 8 o'clock, around 8 to 9 o'clock. So it's a good spot to see the firework tomorrow.
Firework in Asian place. There, on the left? Or in your hotel?
The hotel we have, and also in another hotel also have. So it will be many firework tomorrow.
8 p.m.
Yes, around 8 p.m. until 9 p.m. Like a different time. And also the bathtub is
Special bath.
sorry.
Special bathroom.
Thank you. And also we have 2 different bathroom. This one's after shower and inside.
So restroom.
And here will be the walk-in closet, and this one is for the room bathroom for sleeping, and also you can find actually for the fifth floor already set up during the turn down service, and also we have the laundry separate by the normal laundry, dry laundry, or pressing. And the list will be here. If you send by 10 a.m., we will return on the same day. But after 10 a.m., we have to return another day.
Bag.
This one, yes, leisure bag can use for your stay. But when you check out, please return. And the safety box will be here. We also have the butler box in case you don't want anyone to disturb you. We can put your item here, and you can get from here.
Okay.
Sure. And that's it. Anything else you would like to know?
Oh, that's it.
Yes.
So finish.
Yes. Okay. So if you need anything, just let us know.